There's the pump. I don't know. You think it's gonna make this job any easier? Let's find out. Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing some more maintenance to our tow vehicle, 2018 Chevy Silverado, 5.3 liter 6L80 transmission. Today's service, we're going to be changing the oil in the front differential fluid. It should be an easy job. We have a 12-volt pump to try out, see if that works. Let's get to work. All right, we're underneath the vehicle. First thing is to remove this splash guard. It's a 15 millimeter up front and 4 10 millimeters on the back. Slide that back out of the way, and that'll give us access to our front differential. Alright, here's your fill plug, your drain plug. This is an 18 millimeter. This is your regular 3/8 square drive ratchet. Make sure you have yourself a little bit of leverage on these. These can be pretty tight in here. I've already loosened these, so we're going to take the fill plug out first. Always take the fill plug out first to make sure you can fill it before you can drain it, or you'll have a problem. So let's take that out. 18 millimeter. I've already loosened it. And that's coming out. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. It has a rubber gasket on it. Clean all this up. Make sure your rubber gasket is all good all the way around. No tears, no rips. Let's get it draining. Like I said, I've already cracked these loose, so let's take this out. Don't forget your catch pan. Okay, it's draining. Doesn't look too bad actually. It's got a little magnet on it. We'll clean all this up. There's another little rubber seal on here. Make sure that's in good shape. We'll let that drain while we clean these up. I'll be right back. Alright, so that's down to a slow drip. Here's the drain plugs I've cleaned up. Here's the magnet on the one for the drain plug. Gasket looks good on there. Let's install that. I'm going to torque that down to 24 foot-pounds. 24 foot-pounds. Click, nice and tight. That's done. Well, now for the moment of truth. Let's fill this baby up. I'm using 7590 full synthetic Valvoline gear oil. It's coming from the electric pump. And I put the electric pump on, the 12-volt pump. We're going to give it a fill. Let's see what goes on. Yeah, there it comes. You know, you want to fill this just to where it starts coming out. Not there. That's not full yet. You get a steady stream coming out, we'll cap it off. Alright, we got a steady stream there. We'll shut the pump off. Grab our fill plug. Take this out. Put our fill plug in. do that. Okay. And that also gets torqued to 24 foot-pounds. That's an 18 millimeter. And there you go. All torqued up. Okay, all that's left to do now is just pump any oil with the brake torque cleaner. A little spray in there. Wipe her down. That's it. Put your cover back on. And this job is done. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. Also, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Okay, and here is the 12-volt pump setup. Obviously your 12-volt pump, and you're in and you're out. Have a battery, reservoir for fluid, and I put it on this little wheelie cart to kind of roll it around for mobility. Just a basic, simple setup.